welcome back to another episode of Stitchin' Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the surface bobble stitch on a finished crochet piece. So basically today I'm using a 5.5 mm eye hook. This is the Clover Soft Grip, and I'll be using worsted weight yarn. This is the Lion Brand Jeans yarn in I think faded. So basically what I'm going to be doing is, so I have a finished piece here. It's a 2-inch crochet piece. I'm going to count to 2 stitches from the bottom here and then go into the 3rd stitch here. So basically I'm going to pull up a stitch like that. So I'm going to pull up a loop into that stitch, and I'm going to just chain 1, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and then I'm going to go through the 2 loops. So that's my first part of the bobble stitch. I'm going to go in, I'm going to yarn over again, I'm going to go in and pull up a loop. Now you'll see I have 4 stitches on here. So again, I'm going to go through these 2 stitches. So now I have a total of 3 stitches on my hook. Again, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, and then pull up a loop through these 2 stitches. So now I have 4. I'm going to do this one last time. So yarn over, pull up the loop, and then just pull a loop through those 2 stitches. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a loop through all of those stitches. Now I want to make the bobble stick on the surface like this. So the last part is to just go in, pull up a loop, and then slip stitch into that stitch. So that's your first bobble. Now I'm going to go across and I'm going to skip a stitch, go into this stitch here. Again, pull up a loop, I'm going to slip stitch. So there you go. So that's how you do the surface bobbles. You can start to see the bobbles here like this. So they're actually on the surface of your finished piece. So that's how you do the surface bobble stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.